Hi, today we're going to be talking about the documents that one needs to prove to USCIS that a marriage is a good faith marriage. So you are a foreign spouse, you have entered into a good faith marriage with a US citizen. What are the documents that you need to file a successful green card application? One, you need a marriage certificate. You have to show that the person that you are the US citizen is that you're married to the US citizen, right? And how do you prove that? You need a marriage certificate. Here in the US, if you get married in the US, there is a document that shows that you were married, so you get a marriage certificate. USCIS wants to see a certified copy of that marriage certificate. What does a certified copy means? A copy with a court seal. So you go get married, on your way out, just let the clerk know that you would want a sealed copy, a certified copy of the marriage certificate, and for minimal fee, you get the copy, and then you can use that to show proof that you've entered into a marriage with the US citizen. Immigration wants to see that you commingle assets and you commingle liability. What does that look like? You have a life together, you live together, you have bills together. So credit card bills, bank statements, power bills, utility bills, water bills, sewage bills, childcare, things to show that you have a life, that you're not just marrying this person for immigration benefits. Immigration frowns upon, and is actually a crime to enter into a fraudulent marriage. So you want to make sure that you're showing immigration that your marriage is real, that you live with this person, and that you're able to show things that proof that you commingle assets and commingle liability. So for example, you need a lease to show that you live together as husband and wife. If your spouse does not have good credit, or your spouse doesn't even have credit at all, you can ask the apartment management company to add your spouse as an occupant. So that still shows that your spouse lives there, even if your spouse is not able to sign, co-sign, or for your spouse credit to be run. You can just put your spouse's name as an occupant, and that person will still reflect on the lease. Even if you're not able to get a lease from an apartment complex, but you're renting a room or you're renting a basement, you can ask the person who you're renting from to write a lease or a letter to say, hey, A and B, husband and wife, are living with me and they are occupying one room in my house, and make sure that it's a verifiable document. The name of the landlord is there, or the person who is subleasing to you, and the person's telephone number and contact information if USCIS needs to contact the person to verify. Just things that show that you guys have a life together. Pictures of before you got married, dating, because you want to chronicle the relationship, right? Even if it's an arranged marriage, which is perfectly fine with immigration, you just have to show that we met this on this date and this is how the relationship progressed. So whether you were dating and then it was a friendship that blossomed into something romantic and then you became married, you just want to showcase that in pictures. Have friends and family write statements, your imam, your pastor, people that know you and know that you married this person and it's a good faith marriage, can attest and write an affidavit for you. Those affidavits have to be notarized. Make sure that the affidavits are well written. Those affidavits are detailed. It cannot just be affidavit from A saying that, oh, I married this person, I attended the ceremony and I saw that they got married. That in itself does not show that the marriage is a good faith marriage. So the person wants to show, well, how did the person know that husband and wife were married? How many times did the person see husband and wife? How did the person get to know that this is not a fake marriage, that this is a real marriage, right? So the affidavits have to be detailed. If you have any questions about documentation to show how strong your case is, we actually have services in our firm where you can bring your documents in. We'll review it for a nominal fee, a flat fee. Just let us know that that's what you need and we'll tell you what the fee is. And we want to help you. We want to support you and make sure that you get those green cards without having to stress yourself and pull out all your hair. If you have any questions, again, the number 443-352-3201, and we'll see you on the next video. Make it a great day. Bye-bye.